Hi everyone, I'm Jan Moyet, I'm from Spain, and that's my project number 4, network of CS50 web programming with JavaScript and Python. That's our main page where we are going to display all the different posts. But first of all, we are going to log in with a username, for example, Jan10, and the correct password. Now that we are logged in, we are able to create a new post, see all the different posts, and then here we have different options that we are going to take a look afterwards. So for example, let's make a new post. Let's write, "Hi everyone, have you heard about the new project? Question mark." Here we have our new post. So now that we have already created a new post, we are going to take a look to our main page, all posts. Here we are able to see all the different posts from all the different users. Here we are going to see the user that made or created the post, the text of the post, also the date of this post, and finally how many likes we have in each post. So now we are going to take a look to the profile page. As we see here, we have a button in each of the posters. So when we click here, for example, we are logged in as Jan10 right now. If we click on Jan10, we're going to see the profile page. We see that Jan has 2 followers and he's following 2 people. And we also see his 2 posts in reverse chronological order. But for example, what happens if we go to a different user, Gina20? Here we have a different button displayed. We have the follow and unfollow button. In this case, we know that we are already following Gina as a Jan10, and we see her post here. But what happens if we unfollow her? If we unfollow her and we refresh the page, we're going to see that now Gina has 0 followers. So that changed. So now we want to check this following page here. That will be like our all posts page, but we are only going to display the posts from the users that we are following. In that case, we are following 2 users, Gina20 and Casey. If we go here, we see their posts here. We have implemented an option called Pagination, where once we hit 10 posts per page, we're going to create a different page. In that case, we already have 10 posts here. So we have a second page. If we click, we can see the 2 other posts here. And we have a previous button to go back. We have a next, and we also have a last. One of the features that we have as a user is that we are able to edit our posts. We are logged in as Casey, so Casey will be able to edit her post, not the other one's post. That's why when we are on a post from a different user, we don't have the option to edit this post. But if we go here, I'm from Spain, I live in Madrid, we save it. Here we have a new update. Finally, as a user, we have the option to like different posts. We can like our own post. For example, let's try. We are logged in as Casey10. We try to click here. No, we cannot like the post. But if we try to like this one, for example, Jan10, here we see that we have 1 like. Also, if we are in the following page, we're able to like posts. If we click again, we delete our like. That's how it works.